Hello everyone, I hope all are fine. Today I am going to tell you 5 approaches by which if you are going to follow these 5 approaches, then you will definitely gonna master that language very well. And if you are gonna follow this and if these approaches will gonna help you, then do comment in my list and don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my channel, and let's start the video. Don't waste the time. Okay, for that reason, if you want to learn English and if you want to speak it fluently, you just have to implement yourself on 5 strategies. I have taken out 5 approaches, and if you like one approach, then get by one and by one, and you can find yourself very successful in that, because some strategy suits me, some strategy suits you. So which one is going in your favor, then you just go for that as well. So when I was studied at that time, when I had to given the IELTS test, I was pretty sure that I am not going to give it very well, because on the first day my sir was like, he had told me that Hamda, you cannot do anything, you cannot you are not going to do hard work because you are lazy, you are not interested as well. So I decided on that day that I am going to do that. I did study for almost 3 months and regularly, and I did classes, online classes sessions, and group sessions, and I have been talking for almost 5 hours 10 hours in a day, and it really helps me, because sometimes you have to make yourself and show up yourself that you are fake, you don't know anything. But if you are going to study it properly, then you can get the right word. Sometimes you have to sit in some people company where you have to pick up this words which actually suits you and which are actually to pick up. So for that reason, you just have to go towards these kind of group sessions and online sessions where you can easily talk to people, because teachers, tutors and students are there. They would really find happiness in helping you. So for that reason, you just have to go for it and book the session as well. I was there pretending myself that I am really very fake, and I don't know what to say and how to pronounce the words, how to use the grammar very well. So they actually help me a lot. They tell me, Hamda, you have to make the stories like this. You just show up yourself that you are a really very good learner, and you just need to pick up some words, use in your videos or use in your session as well, and there you can get the success. Everyone obviously judging you there, that how the way you are speaking and what are the ways you are getting it right now. So for that reason, you just make yourself very well. So I was there showing my skills and showing myself as a fake, and I really get a very good image. In the sessions, I was really talking about the stories and about the topic very well. I used just 3 to 4 lines properly, and after that I got so many compliments that the way you are getting it and the way you are speaking it really very fantastic and interesting as well. So for that reason, first time you just have to pretend yourself that you are a good learner and you are a good speaker and you can speak very well, either in a company, either in a meeting, either in online session. So for that reason, if you are successful in getting the compliments, then you will be alright and you will get the flow very easily. The second approach which I actually followed in my career or in my path when I was learning things, it was that I actually trained my subconscious. Training my subconscious is just like when you are when in childhood you actually listening everyone, like who is talking and what is talking and what is not talking. You actually train up your subconscious, everything you are inputting in your brain, and when to speak it, you actually realize it, you are going to pick up the words, and then just utilize the words and go in a flow and make the sentences very well. So for that reason, I actually train my mind, train my subconscious by listening podcasts, by listening radio sessions, and obviously I was reading it things and the videos which actually the people who are making videos, I used to go for that and I was learning from it as well. So this approach really helps me a lot, and at that time I was really feeling difficulty in listening because some words you actually heard it properly, you actually get it properly, but some words are not getting in your subconscious and you are not picking up the meaning very well. So I was just taken out words, I written out the words and on the page, and then I just opened the dictionary and just search for the words. They actually really helped me in that matter as well. The third approach which I actually follow it and I just get through it, I went through it, it was LWTRS, and where you can listening, writing, and train up your mind and speaking as well. Whenever you feel monotonous and obviously dullness while speaking, you just need to on YouTube there are enormous amount of videos on English. You can go through it, you can take out some words from it and utilize in your language whenever you are going to speak it. These words and those words will really gonna help you because you understood the meaning very well properly, and if you are going to do it on regular basis, you will literally know and you will literally realize that thing, that you can interpret the other person language or speaking properly, because sometimes the other person is speaking and you are not getting the point which he wanted to deliver it to you. So for that reason, you just need to do on regular basis, you just need to do this listening sessions every day. The writing, even just go for 20 minutes 20 seconds, you just go for that, do it regularly, and I am damn sure that after 3 months you will get the right amount of English vocabulary in your head, and you will use it according to the situation whenever you want to do. The next approach is that you have to go for speaking challenge, either for 8 hours, either for 10 hours, either to 5 hours, or if you not even get a time, so you have to just take out for only 1 hour and you just need to practice it, because practice makes man perfect. And if you are making it yourself, practicing more, you will get the words, you will get the confidence, and you will overcome the shyness very easily, because sometimes you have to go for the sessions and join speaking sessions. There are numerous teachers on different online platforms where you can go and sign up and book the sessions for 1 hour. For it's up to you. If you are busy, then go for 1 hour, or if you are not busy, then go for 10 minutes. It's just up to your choice, that whatever you want to do, because these really help me. I go through like 1 to 2 hour session every day, and these really help me out, because I did effort to do that, and I assure you that after doing a lot of efforts, you will get the results very well, and obviously your efforts will not go in vain. Okay, the last approach which I wanted to share with you is that which I actually followed it properly, and that was try out techniques. So which technique you prefer to do it by yourself, because sometimes something can work for me, something some approach cannot work for you. So if it happens to you, so there is no need to go for that approach. For these approaches, find your approach. If the approach really gonna help you, really gonna feel you like it will not gonna challenging you, and you will feel really very good and enjoyable method to do that, then please go for that. If you want to do talk to yourself, mirror talking, because sometimes there is no one at home where you can do studies. So try up different methods according to your choice, according to your feasibility, because sometimes there is no one, like in my house there is no one who can speak with me every time. So for that reason, I just watch different videos on YouTube, and I just pick up some words and wrote it down sometimes, and sometimes speak it with my baby, with my child, because she is the only one where I can use those words very easily. And for that reason, if you are going gonna pick up any approach, if you want to find any approach useful and feasible to go for that. So if you have to find it for yourself, then please go it for that. And because every approach is not gonna help you, some approaches help me, some approaches will help you. So for that reason, pick up one of yourself and go for that. Either mirror talking and talk to yourself, which one is best for you or suits for you, please tell me in the comment section. I did 10 to 8 hour session, everyday session approach, and that was really very helpful for me, and I did commendable job after it. So if you're gonna use that technique, you will definitely go for that. And I hope this video will work for you. If this video will helpful for you, so please do write in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll make another video about it. Till then, bye.